What's up, Casey? I am currently sneezing. How's the audio? Can you hear me? Let me know before anyone else shows up. Is the music too loud or is it good? Perfect. All right, I'm gonna get through my man, my throat. I have like this morning thing. All right, that doesn't look good. Whew. I like to set some. Morning, Keith. How's it going? I like to set some straddle alerts on the names that I'm pushing. So that one's already set. Just keep going down the list. That looks like a really good bottom, actually. That candle right there. We have 1, 2, 3 touches. Someone was asking about AMD. Might not be here right now, but those 3 touches look good. You know, this one, I'm still kind of sketched out about Amazon, to be honest. I have an alert there. Apps bull flagging. That looks great. I have a position there. Yeah, I'm just gonna get down my list right here. AVGO, it's getting there. I have a position here too. BA looks like shit. No, thank you. Baba. You know, if we get over this right here. Shit. No, thank you. You know, this one's actually kind of interesting too now. Let's put an alert right here. Sometimes you only make money in the first hour. And so you got to set these alerts. Oh, that looks kind of bad actually. Let's see what it looks like on the... Wow, this chart looks terrible. The chart looks terrible. Y'all are great. Thanks for being here. Awake early. DraftKings, TSM, and Tesla are probably going to be the main things that I'm trading today. And Tesla is not doing too hot right now. You know, this is an interesting one right here. Look at that little hammer candle on the 9-day. I kind of like that. I gotta keep this in mind here. Alright, you go to this list. A lot of these names don't look like they're going anywhere. This one looks pretty bad too. I say it's bad because it's like hanging on a thread on these moving averages. Usually it's indicative of a flush, like probably down to here. Let's set an alert for this one. Let's see. 22, that's kind of tight. Man, this one looks like it's gonna go today too. Yeah, look at what is this action on Etsy? Like ridiculous. Ridiculous. Is this where the cool kids are? Dude, you already know. Can't you tell by the music? That's where the cool kids are. Okay, so Facebook actually, you know, with all the news going on, I remember last time I traded Facebook, I got screwed because I went short on the advertisers pulling out over the weekend. That thing rallied so hard, but who knows if this time is different. You don't really know. But I will set an alert for my level right there just in case. FSLY doesn't look that good. Okay, so these, the gold and GDX are just looking really good to me. We're opening above the range of yesterday's candle. So gold is in 185 territory. Making a trade plus? Okay, I could do that. I could do that. I got you, dude. How do I? I don't know where to find the mix link though. That's part of the problem. Let me see if I can. Okay, I got it. I got it. I don't got it. What in the world? Alright, anyone know? This is a really noob thing to ask, but anyone know how to... My typing is inserting... It's replacing the text instead of actually just typing it. What the heck? I thought you just press the insert button and that thing goes away, but it's not going away. What in the world? I have no idea. Check out GM. Yes, they're all, well, the gold, blue, pink, and gray lines are all moving average. I don't use any VWAP. None of that shenanigans. Even though it probably... Okay, I got it. Stay on. There we go, I got it. I'm pretty sure I post the mix link in the description. Can y'all see it? All right, let's get back to this. All right, so my baby here is almost 16, which means it's gonna go to 17 today because it's opening over. I mean, we got some wicks right here, some supply. But once we're over the 17 area, oh, you know it's going. It's going. GM looks terrible. All right, let's keep going. I personally really like this shirt. Sorry, in the pre-market, all I'm doing is looking at good daily setups. Something I probably should have done yesterday. And then I will look to see what a shorter time frame looks like. And then I will look to see what the pre-market action looks like. And that will give you an indicator of whether the thing will move this morning. And I have to mark my SPY levels too. No, it's trash. Okay, so Netflix, I mean, it got a bounce, but it's a bounce in a downtrend. And there's a lot of moving average congestion is the right word. Yeah, I think I just got some yesterday, actually. Oh, this is a name I want to watch today, actually. Let's put it up here. Okay, I also saw that Walmart was up decently. It was fake. Man. Nothing looks good to me right now, to be honest. Like, I don't see anything that good this morning. I don't really trade UNH, even though it's on my watch list. This doesn't look that good either. It's below my resistance. Uber got the reversal candle yesterday. Probably will have to cool down. Yeah, TSM, that's pretty much... I mean, that one looks good. But we're not even over... I think, it might be good that we're not over the high. I'm going to watch TSM for sure. On my other screen, I have TSM, Tesla, and DraftKings up. Not Donkey Kong. Good morning, Akash. What's up, Shan? Gotta stretch. Tesla's down pre-market, and I was talking to a couple other people And I was gonna say, like, I think tomorrow's gonna be a red day, but I really don't expect Tesla to get below 420, like, ever. No, I mean, just until battery day at least. But if we let's check out Tesla really fast, because that's the thing I want to focus on. If we get a gap fill, it's gonna set me up nicely at least. I don't know about everyone else. So on this hour, this is actually a nice. We're not signaling higher on the RSI, if you could see down here. This is tough. I'm gonna set an alert right here. I already have an alert. Okay. Good morning, Chris. Yeah, Kodak. I don't know. I honestly don't even have it on a watch list because I know that shit's crazy. Ooh, what happened here? What happened here? Was that a fake? Oh, it was a fake candle. That's a good question, actually. It looks neutral. We won't know until the market opens, apparently. But yeah, I'm trying to keep my other screens open as well. Let's look at QQQ. I don't like the pre-market action, y'all. Oh, Amazon podcast. All these tech giants, and it's up pre-market too on that. All these tech giants are taking little pieces out of these companies, like yeah, I mean, there's a lot of companies that need to fill the gap, like AMD. I don't know. It's been so strong. It's been so strong. I kind of like Peloton too. Jesus. Some things just don't look good today. Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. Actually, this one looks better. I like this. I like this name. All right, so we'll leave SQ on the list, the primary list for today. Looks pretty good. It's opening below the 200 though. Not my favorite setup, but if we get a crossover, I'll look long. Let's see what our target could be. 161. I just eyeballed that. Right in here. 160 area. Yeah. If Tesla's going down in the morning session, I'm not going long anything. I still have I'll be right back. I'm gonna blow my nose. My nose is a little out there. I'm back. I feel much better. All right, so Tesla is moving below its. Let's pull it up here. I use a 2-minute chart. And if you're asking how long I'm holding for, it could be anywhere between, you know, a minute and a few days. So all right, so this looks kind of interesting here. Let's do this. Wow, look at that. You see how beautiful that is, y'all? Can y'all actually see that? We get the 261.8 retrace level. All right, so that means the entry that I want would be near the low of day of yesterday, 4:30. If we don't get that entry, we'll have to look lower, like 4:20ish. But that time frame looks beautiful, because you can see like right up here. Look at that, almost to precision. All right, let's get rid of that though. We don't need that. Let's edit this alert though. Another name that I find interesting. Let's look at this. All right, let's turn to some names that. Another good one. Sorry, I might. There's a good chance that I won't. There's a good chance that I won't be reading the comment section in the first 15 minutes, but we'll see. The thing with UVXY is, all right, we got 30 seconds around, is that volatility has not been cooperating. I'll just put it that way. Let's add SQ over here. Y'all will see my P&L today too. Just don't tell anyone. Just kidding. Okay, SQ actually looks good right now. Let's see if we can pull it up. So does DraftKings. I'm gonna actually close my. Let's see if I can close it. Oh, it's not letting me close it. Damn it. Okay, I closed my DraftKings call that I had over the. It looks like everything is coming back into. All right, except for SQ here, which is looking, you know, pretty decent. It's not. I like that hammer candle. Yeah, today's a weird day. You can see these buyers, but I just think it's a low volume day. That's what I think. Oh, well, there goes my DPHC mark. Oh my goodness. Alright. Sheesh. The thing with DPHC is we had a fatty inside day. I don't think I can play it today though. Oh, Roku, let's go. Let's go, Roku. Wow. Look at that touch too. All right. We found a winner. Also Tesla's moving too. Nicely. It's NZM. All right. Let's just probably gonna take Roku off right here. Let's just take it off. If it'll fill me. There it is. All right, let's turn to ZM. Oh no, the Zynga. Stop. Okay, I don't like that actually. Let's I don't know. That Roku price action was pretty good, but it just is so... I'm waiting for a break over this high. Yeah, NVIDIA is on my list too. Yo, Beyond can get kind of streaky. All right. I think let's go here. Yeah, we got a target up there. So I'm gonna take this. With the hope that it doesn't get rejected right there. Hoping's not a strategy, but pretty strong, I think. Boom. Boom. Wow. Convenient or what? All right. Now I just got to sit in it. I think 155 is my target. Holy shit. Those things just went up 40% in one candle. Yeah, they're at 40% right now. That's kind of wild. All right, let's just that was a really big buy order, I think. It kind of messed with the options chain algos. Now they're trying to get it back down to normal before pushing it back up again. Should see some more buying here. I took 155 for this week. Yeah, I think the algos got kind of messed up with the pricing right there. Cause all right, so we're nice 32%, 34%. That's what I'm talking about. 2-minute trades, baby. All right, I trimmed it a third at 40%. We're gonna hold the rest on this break of the high of day of yesterday, basically hoping we get a flag right around here in order for a next leg up to 156. And you can see why this price up here is significant, because we have rejected here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, and today's the day that it looks like we're pushing over it, which is kind of interesting. It just needs to hold, and then the market needs to cooperate. If the market doesn't cooperate, I'm gonna take it off, because beyond also like Roku will fade. Well, it's hitting your resistance right now, man. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, it isn't, just like Roku kind of. But I still, the strength right now is, in the morning session, it usually is pretty strong. That's why I like trading. Roku's flagging right now too. I'm watching it on my other screen. But I don't like the price action. Come on, baby. Oh, look at that. Where's my time and sales at? What the heck? What the heck? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. We're at 64%, guys. All right, trim one more here. Wow, this is a $500. This is a $500 trade right here, if it holds. Hey, I took 5 contracts at 155. My average price was 1.98, and right now they're around 310. So, see, I saw a couple good setups like SQ, Roku, but the daily setup has to match with it, like has to match with the price action. So, oh shit, you know what else is up? Oh my goodness. Wow. All right, also look at that. Wow, I am up. Let's see. All right, well, that's nice. You can see my P&L right there on that, actually. Nice. All right, we're getting some nice movement into these weird names, and Zoom as well, something that I wanted to pull the trigger on, but I did not. Let's just finish this trade here, though. And then move on. I'll be happy moving on from this one. Really? All right, I moved on from the trade. I don't want to launch it. I don't like trading beyond too often. I would rather trade DraftKings. I almost said Donkey Kong again. All right, so the names that that are green on my screen, I'm familiar with. Let's see what this is at. Oh, nice. We're at $900 right now. Our grow generational calls are up 33%. Pretty good. Our app swing is up 10%. That is tough. Oh man, I kind of want to get back into this. I missed out yesterday though. And we should see this 50, we should see this 55 target. Let's just get in it. To be honest though, I think I'm going to take next week's because these ones have been really volatile. Let's take next week's 55s. I'm going to wait to see what it does to this candle though. It should break. It's on a different monitor. It's on a different monitor. Boy, if you don't fill, no. That might have been too high of a fill, but oh well. All right, I'm playing this fib level up here, 55. Might have to wait a little bit on this one, but this one looks good. This is like a nice, 1, 2, 3 move. That should get going. And now people are like, oh, DraftKings gonna keep getting these exclusive deals. We better just buy it now before it goes up again. Better best buy in now. All right, we're up 10% on that right now. Nice, good job on Beyond, Nick. I don't see it on in these market conditions. I'm just not holding that long because it's too fakey. All right, we violated this high right here, so I'm gonna hold this one a little bit. I feel more confident about DraftKings because it's sort of like a news move versus a move like Beyond, which is a little fakey. Yo, this thing is nice with it. I didn't do that much size on this trade, but yeah, I think Casey called out Twitter. I mean, it's definitely got some action this morning for sure. For sure. Look at that. That's a good chart actually. What's interesting is it's doing this with SPY not there either. I mean, let's see what it does. I'll set these intraday alerts just because I don't want to watch it. All right, DraftKings coming back a little bit. Let's focus up here. I am up 12% right now on this trade. I entered at 2.2. Sorry you can't see the actual trade. SQ. All right, so we're getting a lot of turn in these names actually. SPY is down to 340. Roku gave up everything. SQ put in a really nasty candle. Let's check what the leaders are doing. I'm checking NASDAQ. NASDAQ rejected. We're getting really good flow here. Like the relative strength on this name is insane. And you know that's what I like. All right, let's see what's red right now. Oracle, that's not good. Ulta, Facebook, Apple red, Nvidia red. Yikes. I don't think we fall too far on Nvidia. Wow, Adobe's red. Not a good day for the big hitters. I need to make this thinner, or what's more transparent, so I can actually see. Spotify does not look good. Actually, this thing probably will fall more here. Look at that. We are in a very bad zone for Spotify. Should I do it? I think I should do it. Oh man. The bid ask on these things are so wide though. Oh my goodness. All right, let's. It's tough. I mean, like this thing is just looks really bad, and there's a lot of. This could be a really bad candle for Spotify. I'm trying to decide which one I want. I could take one that is closer to the money and get a better spread. But the spreads on this name are terrible. Workhorse ripping? That's what I like to hear, baby. I have calls in Workhorse. Is it Workhorse? Is that their name? Yeah, I was looking at 225 or 230. I don't know. I don't like trading this one. Oh no. Alright, we're still Gucci. Our option contracts are now negative though. Minus 4%, 3%. You know, I don't think I have Workhorse on. I don't know why not, because I'm trading it. That's what I like to see. Okay, TSM a little bit down. It's all about DraftKings now, and it's coming back. I use the opening bar, but on this one I took next week's expiration, so I will lower my stop. Actually, I'll use a wider stop to the high of day from yesterday. But if I was trading this weekly expiration, I would use this upper bar here. Like down here. But because it's next week's expiration, I feel a little better about it. Like right now, we're just getting pulled down by the indices. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, there we go. We're in this chop zone. It's so ugly. But you know what is not falling with the NASDAQ? Tesla. Yeah, I feel okay with DraftKings just because of the relative strength on the name. Even as NASDAQ SPY is falling. So when we inevitably recover around 1030, you know, we'll get a little bit lift there too. A lot of these names, though, SQ just put in the nastiest candle out that it's just like really bad. Good thing I was not caught in that. Oh, I can't even pull it up. Apple, that's a nasty candle. Look at that candle. Oh my goodness. I like looking at these 5-minute charts right here. You can see where there's a potential bounce point, actually. For SQ, it's right here. If you want to get in long, I mean, this is a really good area right here. Congestion. To be honest, I might take it. But I don't like this like double rejection wick. That's why I wouldn't trade it necessarily. Let's look at what else is moving. I kind of like ZM here too. We got a nice little back test of this 410. This zone right here. You said that 3-bar right there. If we get back over 413, I'll probably take it. It doesn't look like there's a big bounce yet though. SQ did put it in a reversal candle on so did ZM. Yeah, FedEx, the options are just kind of whack though. This is my resistance line and we're over it, but I mean, you know, actually the option chain doesn't look too bad on this one. There's a lot of volume on it, so I'll keep an eye on it for sure. Gold, a nice little gap fill. Okay, man, Tesla. Oh yeah, you saw Tesla at the same time.
That's crazy.
Yeah, look at that. There's no quit. Inside day up, that would be nasty. Oh, this thing looks beautiful actually. This is a good setup, but I will. SQ got that bounce, man. It went from 452 to 152 to 155 in really quickly. $150. I would prefer Tesla got over 450 before I entered. So that's what I'm gonna wait for. Oh, you know, Beyond actually got all the way up there. I'm really surprised that Adobe's not doing well. Maybe they're... I don't even know how their guidance was. Like... Yeah, it's struggling right now. But to be honest, like this formation is not, I'm not worried about it. Even if it does back test down here, like it should be okay. All right, Tesla's peaking. Look at that reversal right off the area that I said. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. I'm gonna pull up the Tesla chart. You know, it's funny because I said I was gonna trade DraftKings and Tesla today, and I was like, yeah, maybe I won't, maybe I will. But here we are, trading DraftKings and Tesla. Eric, are you in Tesla still? Or did you get out yesterday at the 462 mark? Are you still in Tesla, or did you get out at the 460 mark? It probably is, Nick. To be honest, I don't really want to be looking short any of these names. Yeah, you. Weren't you in Tesla earlier? 450. Yeah, I thought you would have got out then. That makes sense, actually. This is kind of a good setup right here. Not gonna lie. Oh shoot, I'm sorry. I just bumped my mic. Look at that. We're gonna get over this bar right here, and then boom, 450 in one bar. Oh, there it is. Oh, do I get in? Heads or tails, guys? I'm just kidding. I think we gotta do. Jesus, why is it? Oh, I'm on September 25. Yo, there's 30,000 open interest on the 500 contracts. You know what that means? Are we gonna gamma squeeze this again? Oh my goodness. I think I have to buy in. Let's just buy in 470, I think. I really would actually like to wait until we break this. I know it's kind of thin, or like kind of, I don't know, maybe I'm being a little bit, I don't know. Yeah, I think we're gonna do it. Sheesh. It looks so good. I'm gonna go big size on this one, guys. But I just gotta wait for a good entry. Also, DraftKings is 52.5 now. I'm not taking anything off until we reach that 55 level. Yeah, we got bullish. Look at that. We got the bullish divergence too. Oh, Jesus. NASDAQ looks like it can come down a little bit, but I'm not too worried. All right, let's just get in. All right, I got filled. I'm gonna try to wait on this one actually. Yeah, the gamma heads, dude. I like 30,000 contracts. Are you joking? At 500? Can someone do the math on that? Yeah, I bought the 470s. I bought the 470s. We got a rejection candle on the NASDAQ. Okay, I filled one at 15%. I bought in at 2.18 and I'm selling at 2.5. I just sold one. I have a decent amount. But the NASDAQ looks like it's reversing here a little bit. Also, just FYI, when I buy contracts, you don't have to follow me. Like, I would not recommend following me. I might have to say that every time I buy a contract though, because let's look at what Beyond is doing. Apps flagging. Workhorse looks Gucci. Looks decent. I don't like the song. Please. Next. All right, Tesla's doing something. The thing is, like, Tesla's not dropping. It's not dropping right now. There's just like no give in the name. All right, we're at 1500 right now. I'm not saying it's not ever dropping. I'm just saying that it just, you know, there's too many buyers right now. Yeah, it really don't. It's not a 3 bar because the red bar is not inside the. It's not inside the previous bar. It has to be inside of it. Like, how, the question is, how is Tesla this strong when the NASDAQ is so weak? Answer me that. And the only answer is that people are buying tons of option contracts for battery day. It's still going up. Sorry, I'm looking at my other screen as well. I am let's see where I should trim this one, because I got a big size. I got like the 5-minute chart. Probably right around 457, 455, something like that. It'll probably go up to 20% by then, something like that. The only thing is we have to, that would be testing up in here most likely, like this area, 457. That makes sense. Oh, I know it's battery day. Sorry, someone's honking outside. I don't know if you could hear that. I know it is battery day. So does the whole stock market apparently. Look, you see that? You see that candle? The sellers tried. They really tried. And they still couldn't bring it down. That's ridiculous. Elon Daddy said, "What Fed?" No, he's in bed with the Fed. That's what it is. In bed with the Fed. Like, they got some sort of deal to go on where the Fed buys all their debt. I'm joking. They don't actually have that deal. I mean, the hype is real, for sure. Yeah, you know what else is hype is this. I think I'm up. Wow, you can see my position size here. Oops. I don't think I meant to put that up there, but oh well. I'm up 10% on that trade. I might trim some, but you know, you don't know where this thing can go. Oh yeah, baby. That looks great. This is the 2-minute bounce, so like. All these smaller cap names, you know? Yeah, I see the same thing just on different Omer. I see the same thing just with different indicators. Are you saying the bull flag failed or are you saying it bull flagged? Because if it's bull flagging, why would I exit? So my stop on I'm gonna use a stop loss on apps that is still gonna put me at around a 4% profit. That's how I'm gonna play it. Until we reach that stop loss, I'm just gonna hold. Unless it gets to like 100%, some wacko shit. Yeah, I know. I was looking at those puts. Oh my goodness. Imagine I took those puts. Imagine. We knew it was going to happen. I mean, it was inevitable. The volume, look at the volume right here. None. This thing could go all the way down to 200 today. I'm not joking. 200. Like, that's how weak it is right now. All right, someone timestamp that on stream. 200 spot today. We'll see. Yeah, I mean, the 925 200s are, I mean, they're not, you could take a lotto for this week, 200. I mean, it's 50 cents. That's not that expensive. I mean, Roku got a bid too. Oh, let's look at that. That looks, I like Baba. I like the name. And it looks like we're getting some nice action here. So I think I might be in. The question is, what contract do I take? Do I take this week or next week? I might get in right here, actually. 290, I think. I'm gonna go smaller size. Please? Fuck. I should fill. Oh, fuck, Tesla. All right, let's get on the Tesla hype train really fast. Because I got to trim one. Tesla just put in an inside bar on the... Oh my goodness. This thing is insane. Like, why would you ever sell? It doesn't make sense. Why would you ever sell? All right. I'm just kidding. I don't listen to that. I just sold one. Right as I said, why would you ever sell? I sold one because remember I said earlier I would sell at a 157. It's a good candle combo. Really good. DraftKings, baby. Unfortunately, these contracts are not moving as well as I thought they would. You know, I really feel bad for. I should probably be posting on. Yeah, you know what? I think I may actually exit with you, just because I will get a good setup later as well on this name. But I mean, come on now, like this setup right here, like that's a 500 plus setup right there. 500, 475. It's a Momo setup. Wow, I'm up $2,000 today, right now. I should trade on stream more often. Jesus, I'm 3 for 3. What are y'all doing to me? What are y'all doing to me? I swear, a couple of days ago, I was 6 for 6 on losses. So this doesn't happen every day, I promise. I promise. But I think y'all just make me a better trader. This is like a painless day too. I mean, there's not. It's just about. Today was just about stock selection as much as anything else. I mean, shoot, I should keep track of Baba actually. Like if you pick the right names, you know, you have a good chance of success. I'm gonna let this bull flag here before exiting my last contract. We'll see. I like this setup right here. Yeah, it is accountability. All right, I'm in Baba 290s, but I have a tight stop loss on it. So there, but on Baba, if you look at the chart, let me just pull it up here on the main screen. If you look at the chart here, so this is the congestion area, and we are peaking over it. And then if you get past this area, the next area is just the low right here, 290. I mean, that's really simple trading strats. So, you know, if we get over 283, 84, I'm going to add some more contracts because I took a smaller size. And we're actually really close to that price target. So, and Tesla's not looking too hot, but so if we get over this high, I'm going to add more. That's basically what I'm going to do. We'll see. I just reduced my position size. The NASDAQ doesn't look too hot. And as usual, Tesla's not falling. Look at that beyond. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That target that we peaked at earlier hit and more. Incredible. If anyone, let me know if any of y'all got in on that. It's a pretty good trade. Like just a 9-day. Anyone get in on Beyond? So Tesla looks like 455 is struggle best. No one got in on Beyond. That's surprising. The Nasdaq, I mean, like, it's gonna trend below here actually, which is not the. We could see 275 today. I wouldn't surprise me. It doesn't look strong at all. And yep, I think we're going to see 275. Gotta get out of Baba. Didn't work. Not today. I took a $86 loss on that. That's why I did small size. The indices not cooperating. I gotta check my other open positions too. All right, so we got gold, AVGO, Oracle, which is trashed right now, Tesla, workhorse. Okay. Yeah, I'm not worried about Tesla right now, but it's just the Nasdaq that I'm not going to be, or that I'm not sure. Would they have? Oh my goodness. Well, what are you going to do? You know? Where was I considering it? Somewhere around 230, right? Yeah, I think I was considering it around 230. That doesn't look good. Did I take the loss then? I'm trying to figure out where the drag on the P&L is. See if I can cut it. But it looks like everything is doing okay, more or less. Yeah, everything is pretty much doing okay. Tesla's still not giving with the market, so I don't give. I had a really bad mistake. No, I'm still in Tesla. I have one more. I made a really bad mistake yesterday where there was, that slight pull. And I sold my contracts on that pull instead of holding or adding or whatever. I just sort of like panic sold. And it's because I was up big on the day and didn't want to lose it. And Baba came right back. Man, it's because I was up on the day. I didn't want to lose it, so I sold it, and it costed me money. But in the end, I made it back. But it was really unfortunate. Oh man, like right here, I should not have sold like right here, because this is, the breakout supply zone. But it is what it is. NASDAQ still looks terrible. Is it worth a trade though? That's the question. I think it might be. I think it might be worth a trade. It's tough. It's close. 40% on spot. Attaboy. Baba's coming back. NASDAQ had a little fake out. Damn it, Baba. Why? Remember I said 283.80, and we're actually really close to that on Baba. It's close. It's 50 cents off. I probably should have used that as the line between adding and stopping out. It's a very thin line. Literally. Look at that. Oh wait, am I trading on the 5-minute chart? What the heck? It might do it. It's gonna do it to me. It wasn't so much as a mental mistake as it was like me not watching ahead of time where my stop would be. This thing looks pretty good, actually. I might have to buy back in. Mistakes were made. We'll see. It's sort of flagging. I mean, it's at resistance. It's flagging at 255. But it is a flag, but it's at resistance, so I don't know. It's close. It would be a flag if it were not for an attempted breakout. The thing is, I don't know if I want to hold anything really, that much of anything, into the Fed meeting, which is, they have a live stream at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So I kind of have like a time clock on a lot of these plays, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna add anything else really into what I'm doing. What we really need is Tesla to get over 454, it looks like. A lot of wicks on Tesla. There's not as many buyers right now at the current moment. I think we're heading lower on the Qs. All right, let's take this put play. Man, it's so close. I mean, we need a big candle to break down, or else this is not going to break down. It looks like a bear flag, but I'm not panicking. I'm trying to get in short. If it falls through the pivot, that's when you get in short. It's really close. It doesn't look like it wants to fall though. SQ might have put in a bottom. We'll find out soon. Roku. Oh, you're right. This is a good play too. All right, good call. Good calls. Good calls. Let's see what we can do here. We got a small target ahead. I like the call out. This is a great pattern right here. It should go. The only problem is Roku's so fakey. I hate it. Tesla might pull the same pattern right here. Apps is bull flagging again. Beyond is humongous. Like absolutely enormous. Wow. The contracts that I bought for 3 earlier are now 6. That's ridiculous. Yeah, I mean, this is really a strong move. $172. Yeah, 160, 162 for sure. Wow. I think I'm gonna take this. $275.
Oh shit.
Yeah. If I stop out, I stop out, but there's the break, I think. Yep. I got filled. Roku faked out. Yeah. I got some NASDAQ puts now, so we're gonna let it sit for a second. The grow calls are at 85%. 100% now. Wow. Damn, look at those Roku calls. They went down 40% since the time I bought them. That is rough. I hate Roku. I hate trading Roku. Really, a lot. I never went. I like my track record with Roku is so thin. All right, so I'm gonna slow down on my trades right now because we're approaching that time when nothing good ever happens. And Tesla is putting in that candle that I don't like. Where's that Roku? There it is. Wow. Wow. All right, so my target here is 275. We went from up 2,000 to up 900. Not the best. trying to figure out what I want to cut. Tesla's really struggling here. I probably should have got out earlier, to be honest. I got out everything but one. I think we're okay for now. I'm not gonna touch it yet. Well, I just don't want to watch it. Let's hope the Nasdaq. This is like after you fail this, it's really difficult to get back at. In general. Yeah, Roku make you broku. What was I up on? That was Nasdaq puts, Beyonds, DraftKings. Interesting. %. Is that you have the 500s? Is that why? Our P&L's getting trashed right now. I think that Roku trade might have been a little bit too quick, but it's all right. Tesla is bear flagging right now. It's not good. Nice. Good job on the spot. When we fall here, Tesla will go to 442, 444, something like that. pukey. We went from up 2 to up 6 now. It's not about what happens in the middle of the day. It's about how you finish. Right? We really need Tesla to hold this opening range, though. Or else it will be a pretty bad loss there. A lot of things are fading here. That's why I went in the puts. Setup was there. I'm just more weighted to the long side right now. That's part of the problem. Between DraftKings and Tesla. Even with these puts. Why is this like this? This is weird. My time frame's weird. Alright, we're just trying to make money on the short side right now. I expect to bounce 275. Like right here. 275-ish. It's pretty far. Tesla's tanking. Alright, now I think we're equally weighted. Or like we're weighted fine. Fine enough to preserve the day. If we get down to 275. Yeah, we kind of had to get in short there, or else it would have been ref. There's bound to be a red day in here somewhere. Isn't the IPO right now? Like, what is happening? I thought it was today. Wait, they're pricing at 180? I thought it was 130 or 100. No. What? I can't see it. Why can't I see it? But why can't I see it? That's my question. Where is it at? I thought it was IPOing today. I don't think I can actually trade it. Unfortunately, I don't think I filled out the form to trade IPOs. Maybe I did. I don't know. Yeah. In general, I'm okay with the positions I have open right now. If you're in short the indices and long the relative strength names, like you're decently off. I'll check out shop, but I don't like trading it right now. Yeah, I think 900 was the mark from earlier. Yeah, the bounce level right here. Oh my goodness, this looks terrible actually. Jesus. I'm gonna tweet this one. It's either 750 or 775 actually. How do I change this? There you go. I'm tweeting this one out. It's a good call out. So we stopped right here in this area. I will take one off there. And I'll take another off. I'm trying to just play around with my weightings on long short side, you know. Tesla's coming back nicely. It is sort of just back testing the area that we just filled though, so I'm not gonna let go of all my shorts yet. Wow, why didn't I take more on that? Questionable decision, Josh. Yeah, Tesla is bouncing. I'm not celebrating yet, though. We'll see. DraftKings also has a nice bounce. Roku looks like shit. And I buy one contract, then another of the same later. You can sell them both as one day trade, yes. But you can't buy, sell, buy, sell. You have to, you can buy, sell both, and it's only one. I probably got a little too excited when I was up earlier this morning. It's almost 10 o'clock now. I think it's fine. I mean, I'll put an alert for here, but... Amazon just does not look good at all to me. All right. How are you seeing the price? Are you just looking on Google? I can't. I don't see pricing exactly. Oh, they're updating what it's going to be priced at? That sounds ridiculous. That sounds crazy. What in the world? I think the Fed... The Fed talks at 2 p.m. That's what I saw. Like live. The minutes come out before that, but oh my goodness. My alert was 30 cents off. That's kind of sad. Wow. That doesn't look good either. A lot of these names are really in the danger zone. Spot, T-Doc. I'm still liking DraftKings and Grow. Ah, man. I missed this one. I missed it. It was on my watch list for today. I forgot to go over it. This one can still really get up here. 128. That's a long. That's the kind of delta that I like to play for real. The contracts are kind of expensive for next week. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm gonna take off. I think I already took off actually, but I needed to. I did. Yeah, I did. Never mind. Oh. Tesla. Tesla has a bullish engulfing candle right now. Means the high and the low of the previous candle are above the high and the low of, or sorry, the high and, oh my goodness, I can't talk right now. I'll just show it to you. Where is it? That right there. That's a bullish engulfer with some follow through. Nice. All right, let's just Tesla and DraftKings are both really nice right now still. Good thing we didn't sell. I'm going to hold on to just one put, I believe. Yeah, just one. If it'll let me. Like the risk to reward on those is just so low. Like it actually is much better for me to be doing that. The question is, do I keep holding this swing? I think so. I think I do. All right, y'all. I'm gonna be done at 10:30 or 11:30 Eastern time. I get the morning session in, and after that, I kind of check out for a little bit because not much happens. So if you have any questions right now, throw them in the chat. If you have any names you want me to look at, throw them in the chat. If you enjoying the stream, if you're enjoying the stream, then hit the like button. I appreciate it. If you have any suggestions for the stream, feel free in the comment section or whatever. Mickey Mouse. I'll look at Mickey Mouse for you. Honestly, when I looked at this chart in the pre-market, though, it looked like it was going nowhere. So, and I think I'm right. Yeah, I mean, it put in a hammer candle of sorts. But look at that. Look at that. That's a big... Like, what is that? That's a trash ball right there. That's a... I think the yellow line I have is a gap fill line. Yeah, it's the gap from here, the gap up on the Disney Plus news, and then it's also the gap down. So this is sort of like an island reversal that we are coming up against, and you can see the trend line that is holding right now. So we could, this, you know, if you think the trend line will hold, then this obviously is a good buying point on the daily. But this is a lot of supply right here. Like, that's a lot of supply. But it makes sense where it's putting in this candle, the hammer. A lot of congestion though. Not really my cup of tea. Intraday looks good right for now. Tesla is putting in another bullish engulfing candle. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, we got some nice movement, but at the same time, you don't know when the music's gonna end. That's part of the problem with these names when there's so much congestion above. This music's kind of making me calm down. I like the look of that. And that. All right, Tesla. I keep saying Tesla. What the fuck? Tesla is putting in a 3-bar. So let's just turn to that, and maybe we'll get a little popcorn show. I'm slurring my words. How many of y'all think I'm trading drunk right now? Yeah, have fun, Eric. Thanks for being here. To be honest, I think I am too. So 3 bars usually have to have some type of continuation, If they don't, then it's not a good setup. So this one looks like it's kind of right now we're simply putting in a lower low, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. At least it's a lower low over resistance. You know what I realized? My I'm supposed to have some type of like subscription button that alerts when someone subscribes. Did that alert when people are subscribing or no? Did anyone notice? Oh my goodness. And I just realized that this YouTube chat thing is not the whole time. What in the world? I'll have to fix that later. All right, well, I'll have to look into that to see why it didn't pop up. But that is ridiculous. They're pricing it at double. Like, it was supposed to open at 80. Yeah. I should have looked at those, actually. Amazon and Apple had no bounce. It's not exactly a launcher yet, but it's definitely a bear flag. This is just like classic bear flag setups right here. We need some type of hammer candle to go higher. I see BA, but there's too much congestion to trade it, really. It's backtesting this area that it got rejected earlier. You can tell we're, you know, kind of getting some support right here. Not the worst place to be getting support, for sure. We get all the trash names doing well today. We got NCLH, CCL, DAL, MU, Intel. I don't know what I call it, trash stocks. You can argue with me, but the thing is, if those are trash stocks, that also means that my swings, my swings are also trash stocks as well. Because I have a decent amount of shares here. I have 100 shares. I have more than that actually. All right, well, I'm gonna trim. Oh, we're getting some action in NASDAQ right now. Okay, I trimmed 2 of my calls there for 80%. My NASDAQ semi-hedge play is now back to even, which I'm okay with. Like, that's what it's there for. To be honest, I might dip by Apple. We'll see. I hate playing the minutes. Every time I'm in anything, when I'm in the minutes, I get screwed. Literally, every time. But DraftKings looks decent now, actually. I like that. Apps is bull flagging again. Give me 35. Let's see what the measured move is on this break. This is a very strong break. Very classic. Yeah, 35. Look at that. Let's take a look at TSM to see where we're at with them, if we have a potential ad candidate. All right, so not exactly, I wouldn't say. I would not put this really as an ad candidate, but I will do it up here. We had some huge prints yesterday, so you're welcome, Casey. You guys, I'll post my end day P&L on Twitter just so you know. Snow is now being priced at 200. That is redonkulous. Never seen that on an IPO before, where they're 100% moving the IPO before it even gets listed. That's ridiculous. Maybe I should stay on to trade the Snow IPO. Just kidding. I'm not going to do that. All right, so Baba just broke my mark. Was there some news? Oh no, it didn't break my mark. Yeah, I would just trade commons. I would just, I mean, like, remember the big C IPO went from like 80 to 130 in 2 days. Like that's that's $50 per share. Yeah, I think I like Baba for a longer term setup. When is their earnings? I can't. 1029. To be honest, let's see. 1029. Okay, so earnings 1030. Jeez, it's so expensive. A 330 call would be 310. The IV on it is around 40%. Not bad right now, actually. What is that? 330? There is 100 volume on the 340 calls. Just thinking about a post earnings play. I'm debating whether I want to punt money away on holding this QQQ put. I'm down $19. Tempting. Like, what is this? What is this? What in the world? Like, why do I have this on my watch list still? $10.16.300. Maybe. I mean, the problem is I hate swinging long in this market environment in particular. The 10.16.300s, I mean, there's a lot of open interest on those. It's kind of interesting. I wonder if someone knows something. There's a really large gap to fill up here. I'm kind of interested. I'm interested. Come on. Man, I mean, I kind of want to take this play. Like, what if we get a hot dog? That would be insane. I mean, it doesn't look too ideal. Like, not the most ideal. I think the sentiment is just being weighed down by the China, you know, tensions with the TikTok deal and everything else on top of that. Let's see what Workhorse is doing. Beautiful setup again. Wow. Pretty crazy. Alright, yeah, I think I want to take this MVX for that. Oh man. What a move. Alright, I think I'm gonna chase a little bit. I feel like I'm wasting money by buying 130 calls though. Whatever. I wanted to get in the same earlier. Maybe that's why I'm trying to force it right now. But at the same time, this is a really good... Like the supply zone is right here, 130. Alright. Trust your levels, right? I'm going abnormal. Wow, look at that. Right as I bought. Up 10% already. And it's just a good feeling to like buy something and then immediately make money on it. Wow. Wow, I'm up 20%. Are you joking already? What the heck? What is happening? Oh my goodness. What is... You see the buys? 40% already? I guess I should have bought more. I don't know. All right, snow is now being priced at 225. Oh, it's, you know, it's people who have access to the IPO who are bidding it up, I guess. All right, y'all. Thanks for joining. I enjoyed trading the open with you. It was fun. Had some good plays. Gave some back. Overall, successful morning, I think. But be sure to hit the like button. Notification if you want to see me stream more. Can I go on at 3? Sure, why not? I'll go on. I'll come back on at the ends to go over what I'm holding, what I'm not holding. All right, y'all. Peace out. Have a good one. I'll see you at 3.